Hi everyone. My today's topic is about the power of Hanuman Chalisa. I have personally seen in my life Hanuman Chalisa playing a very critical role. I'm not saying it has made me very successful or extraordinary, but it has given me extraordinary peace and happiness irrespective of the situation around me. So, even if the situation is not good, my mind is happy because of Hanuman Chalisa. Uh, this is a type of 40 verses which was created by Saint Tulsidas. But there is something very magical about it, which you have to experience. It is not something which I can tell in words, but it is something for you all to experience. You can start each day by chanting once, and as the days progress, you can increase the count. But there is definitely something very magical about it. I have seen situations where it was like there is so much grief, and but the grief could just be removed out, and it's very miraculous. It's so miraculous that it's beyond words. So definitely something to explore on. I know there's lot of mantras and lot of areas to explore, and I'm a person who believes in all the gods. So it's not like I'm just saying, okay, this is the only god. No, that is not what I'm saying. I pray to all the gods, but I just found it very miraculous, and I just wanted to share it with the world, so that it's good for everybody. There are some things about Hanuman Chalisa which I do want to call out. Like, uh, it's just some of the things which I came to know over the course of time. Because when I was small, I was in the impression that not everybody can. Pray Hanuman, Shiva, and all these gods. Probably you have to be like so ritualistic and all, but over the course of time I realized that as long as you have like a pure heart, like in the sense you, like if you are doing something innocently, right, the rituals are not very critical. So you can just wake up in the morning. It's not necessary that you have to be like fully prim and proper sitting in front of an idol and only then you can chant, right? That is not the way how it is, what I have experienced with life, right? Like you can just wake up in the morning and then immediately you can, it's up to your circumstance though, but you can just chant, and you can just say Hanuman Chalisa once over the day. Whenever you remember, you can chant. But these small chant, I feel, is like drops in a huge ocean, and which will definitely one day take you to your destination. So once again, as I'm saying, right here, I'm not talking about success. I'm talking about happiness and peace of mind. Success has lot of other things, right? You need to have lot of factors like people, circumstance, karma, and lot of things come into picture. But peace of mind is something which is totally yours. The internal peace is something which nobody can touch. So that internal peace gets protected by Hanuman. I feel that way. So it's just purely my personal experience, and I would like to listen to all your comments, as you're trying through these, and if there is benefit in chanting Hanuman Chalisa, if you have like really good experience, please feel free to pen it down in the comments. But definitely something which I truly wanted to share with you all, and that's why I have this video today. So thanks everyone, and have a very wonderful and blessed day ahead.